This machine is called the SciFit. It's a modified hand crank that is accessible for those in wheelchairs as well as any individual. It also has accessible arm positioning and height positioning as well. It's a great upper body movement, and you can get a really good workout in and adjust the resistance as needed. Starting with the upper part of the machine, we have these yellow clips right here. If you pull them, you can adjust the handles forward or back depending on your arm length, as well as this yellow pin right here, which can adjust the height of the entire machine. As for the seat, we have 4 main adjustments. The first one is the front yellow pin, which allows rotation of the seat. The second one is the back yellow pin, which allows you to lean forward or back on the lower part of the seat. The third part is this yellow bar right here, which allows you to adjust the height of the seat. And the last one is this foot one, which by pressing down on it, you can adjust the forward or backward scrolling of the seat. And just like the arm crank, this one we're just going to hold the handles and we're going to rotate either forward or backwards depending on your needs, and adjust the resistance accordingly on the screen. Make sure to grab the red parts of the handles, keep your chest up, lower back supported, and either push or pull depending on your needs, and you can adjust the resistance on the screen above. As you can see, she's firmly gripping the handles, adjusted the resistance as she needed, lower back supported, knees making a 90-degree angle, and feet flat on the ground.